Baan Haad U Thong is a special place in Pattaya, almost 30 stories tall, close to the beach in Pratumnak, and only 2 condos per floor. This building is so popular that condos here rarely come up for sale, and we have one to show you today. Let's go. When you open the door to this condo, you really feel welcome. You are greeted by a nicely decorated living area, and the open kitchen is right around the corner. Everything is bright and puts you in a good mood. The large living area, a small office, and the large balconies. This condo provides everything you ever wanted. There are 2 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, making this place perfect for a small family. The balcony, my favorite place. You can enjoy a meal, a drink, or just relax and enjoy the view. It's all right here. And as you can see, from the condo, it is only a few steps to the beach. You want to enjoy this every day? Then contact me today.